Hello everyone, welcome to the third video, 8 ways to remain calm in CAT 2020. This video is a part of the series 10 days to crack CAT. My name is Anupam. Please download and install Unacademy app. Subscribe it. So if you subscribe to Unacademy, you will have access to privileged content, the plus content, and you will be known as a plus is student. And there are some plus courses which are available only for the students who have subscribed. You also get doubt solving classes. Every fourth class is a doubt solving class, and there are also hundreds and hundreds of mock test, topic wise test, and sectional test which are going to help you in your preparation. Please subscribe to Unacademy. People who are writing CAT this year, 6 months plan makes more sense to me. 14,000 for 6 months, 2,333 every month for 6 months, and people who are writing CAT next year, it will boil down to 18,900 after using the code SuccessInAlive. And the pricing will come down to 875 rupees a month, which is very extremely user friendly, extremely pocket friendly from the students. Use the code SuccessInAlive to get discount. Yeah, I think sleeping well to remain calm. I think your lifestyle issues, sleeping well, sleeping 7 to 8 hours is extremely important. Do not let the pressure, do not let the preparation, peer pressure, or cultural understanding because sleeping less is good for preparation. This is all incorrect. Sleeping is extremely important. Please sleep well, and so that you stay calm and you stay awake and you are active and you're healthy. Please exercise. Exercise is very important if you want to stay calm. I think doing exercise, going for short walks. Exercising doesn't mean that you need to pull up, you need to lift weights or do something which is extremely exhausting, but light exercise are also helpful as of now. Don't do anything which you haven't done. Don't lift heavy weights. Don't go for very long walks or very long runs. Do something which doesn't take a toll on your body, and don't injure yourself by doing exercise, because exercise, if you don't do them carefully, if you do them too much, there are chances of injury also. So protect yourself and stay fit. Eat well. So sometimes it happens that people do not agree to this idea that okay, that eating well is important, or eating 3-4 times is important. But eating well is extremely important only if you eat well, only if you so because at the same time, it's not only about the quantity or the number of times you eat, but the quality also. So avoid eating very spicy food. Avoid eating food a lot from outside, because if you suffer from food poisoning or there's some health related issues, that is going to affect your exam performance. So eat well. Awareness of thoughts and emotions is important. So if you are if you know that okay, when you're writing your examination, your test, topic wise test and sectional test and full length test, then you realize that certain thoughts and emotions come to you more often. So you can be aware of those thoughts. Just by being aware of those thoughts, you will realize that if in case there are some negative emotions or thoughts coming to you, you will be able to manage them better. So stay aware of the negative thoughts and the emotions which come to you, because they can have an impact on your performance. I also said that you can read some positive quote every day. You can read some positive articles, positive thinking articles, and if you have some issues, you can discuss with your friends and family. And so in this way, your stress can be managed. At the same time, I've discussed that CAT is not the end of a life. There are so many entrance examination after CAT. And apart from MBA also, there are so many things which you can do in life. A lot of people who have not done MBA are doing well in their lives. So this is just a phase and it just pass by. Meditation can be helpful if you know any technique in which to bring focus of your attention to a part of your body, or to bring or any technique which you know of, that can be helpful. Simple yoga can also be helpful for your overall calmness of mind. So if you don't know, it's all right. Just don't try and look for any new techniques as of now. But yeah, anything which can calm your mind can really be helpful. Coming to yoga, yoga can also be really helpful. We discussed that yoga will be serving both as a mind, and both as a mind and body management exercise. You become calm also, and you stay fit also. So if you can do yoga, nothing like it. So if you think that there are some thoughts which come to you a lot often, and they are negative thoughts and they bother you, making a log of frequently occurring negative thoughts can be helpful. So if you can make a short note of, say, one thought a day which comes to you, then over a period of time you will be able to see that the thoughts have actually come down. The emotions and the entire the entire range of thoughts around them, these thoughts have actually come down. So please, if you can, make a log of frequently occurring negative thoughts. Commuting issues to the venue can be stressful actually. So if you have some commuting issues that to going to the venue, traveling to the venue, if the venue is in a different city, then sorting out all those finer aspects can be helpful. So my suggestion is that you, if the venue is not in a city, reach the city where the venue is a day prior and sort out all those things. And if the venue is in your city, then a couple of days before CAT, you can go there and you can visit the venue, so that you don't have any doubt and you don't have any concern in your mind as to where the venue is. So sorting out the commuting issues to the venue can also be very helpful. So these were some things which will help you to stay calm. Unacademy subscription offers you live classes. You get to interact with the educator, live pools and leaderboard. So all our classes are live. There's the UI interaction with the educator is extremely good. There are live polls and leaderboard. So we'll be asking you polls, we'll be asking you questions and quizzes in the class. Test series, like we discussed, test series are amazing, and just the test series, analysis of the test series is also amazing. We also have live doubt clearing sessions as well. So like I've told you, every 4th class in a plus course is a live doubt clearing sessions. It is almost like asking doubts in a class. Apart from that, we have a lot of free special classes, right? So we have free special classes on the app for which we don't charge you anything, and there are quizzes also. All right, so they are like your YouTube videos. Those free special classes are like YouTube videos. You can visit old the classes which have happened past. You can visit them n number of times without paying any fee, and there are also a lot of free quizzes. So please use the code Saxena Live to get 10% discount.